Imagine this. You're running Facebook ads for your business, but something isn't working. Your ads aren't reaching your audience, your account spending limit feels like a cap on your success, and Facebook's automated tools seem locked away. What's the missing piece? It's not your strategy, it's your account verification. Verifying your Facebook Business Manager account is the key to unlocking a world of enhanced advertising features, higher credibility, and better results. In today's video, we'll explore why this small step can make a big difference in the future of your digital marketing, especially if you want to be ahead of the game in AI-powered automation. Let me tell you about Sarah, an ambitious entrepreneur who relied on Facebook ads to grow her online clothing brand. At first, things were going well, until her account hit an unexpected wall. Her ads were underperforming, and worst of all, her ad account was flagged. Her business was bleeding revenue, and she was desperate to find out why. It turns out Sarah hadn't verified her Facebook Business Manager account. This simple oversight cost her weeks of potential sales, not to mention access to Facebook's advanced advertising tools that could have automated and scaled her campaigns. Once she got her account verified, Sarah's results skyrocketed. Her ads became more efficient, her budget limits expanded, and she was able to access Facebook's automation features. Today, I'm going to show you how you can avoid the same fate and why verification is crucial for success in today's fast-paced, AI-driven digital landscape. Welcome to Dreamy Digital, the channel where we explore the future of digital marketing, AI automation, and tech strategies that can transform your business. Whether you're trying to master Facebook ads, leverage AI tools, or stay ahead in a world where tech is constantly evolving, we're here to give you the cutting-edge knowledge you need to succeed. If you're serious about scaling your business, make sure to subscribe and become part of the Dreamy Digital community. So, why is verifying your Facebook Business Manager account so important, especially in 2024? Well, without verification, you're essentially operating at half capacity. You may think you can run ads just fine, but Facebook has tightened its policies, making it harder for unverified accounts to access crucial advertising tools. Worse, unverified accounts often face ad rejection, limited reach, and potential account suspension. When you verify your account, Facebook sees your business as legitimate and trustworthy. This unlocks advanced tools like higher spending limits, more precise audience targeting, and the ability to leverage AI-powered automation, tools that give you a competitive edge in today's digital marketing landscape. Let's break down the process of verifying your Facebook Business Manager account step by step. This isn't just a mundane checklist. Each step is designed to position your business for future success. Step 1. Business information accuracy. The first step is ensuring that every piece of your business information is accurate. Facebook will cross-check this with official documents, so it's important to double-check that your business name, address, email, and phone number are consistent across all platforms. Accuracy here will save you time and headaches down the line. Step 2. Linking your business domain. Next up, link your business domain to your Facebook account. This step establishes ownership and ensures no one else can claim your domain. It's like staking your flag in the digital ground. It tells Facebook and your audience that your business is legitimate. If you're running ads, this is also crucial for better ad placements. Step 3. Submitting verification documents. Now it's time to submit your verification documents. These include your business license, tax registration, or utility bills. Anything that confirms your business's existence. This step may sound daunting, but as long as you have your paperwork in order, it's straightforward. Just remember, any discrepancies here could delay the verification process. Step 4. Waiting for Facebook's approval. Once your documents are in, Facebook will review them. This can take a few days, sometimes a week, depending on your region. While you wait, avoid making any changes to your account, as this could trigger a review delay. Patience here pays off, because once verified, you gain access to the full suite of Facebook advertising tools. Step 5. The benefits of verification. And then, the final reward. Your verified status. This badge of legitimacy is more than just a checkmark. It's your ticket to higher ad spending limits, more robust targeting capabilities, and Facebook's automation tools. Plus, a verified account reduces the risk of ad rejection, ensuring your marketing efforts go uninterrupted. So, how does this all connect to the bigger picture of digital marketing in 2024? Verification isn't just about playing by Facebook's rules. It's about positioning your business for growth in an increasingly automated world. Facebook's AI-powered ad tools are designed to optimize your campaigns based on data, which means the more access you have, the smarter your campaigns become. For instance, you can set up automated retargeting that will continue engaging users long after they've interacted with your brand. These tools are only available to verified accounts, giving you a real competitive edge in scaling your campaigns efficiently. If you found this video helpful and want more insights into how AI, automation, and tech can shape the future of your marketing strategies, hit that subscribe button and join the Dreamy Digital community.